It's the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm actually flashing back to the day before Thanksgiving to give you a quick little tour of my dining room because I was so happy with the way it turned out. But it's actually now the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm going to show you guys everything I'm doing to prepare my home for Hanukkah. So we're saying goodbye to all this beautiful Thanksgiving decor and the cute little turkey my son made at preschool and boxes. And I'm starting in our family room this year. Okay, I have big news, guys. We are actually painting our fireplace in the new year. So not this, it won't be done before Hanukkah, but we're going to be painting all the stones white, which I'm really excited about, and then putting on a wooden mantle. So this is my last year decorating with these brown stones, and I have some beautiful decor that this is my first year using. I actually bought it at the end of last year in the sales. I will link everything for you. Those, I think they're called Hurricanes, are from West Elm, as is the greenery, and then the beautiful Menorah and the Dreidel you'll see in a minute is Target, and this sign was made by an amazing woman on Etsy. Her name is Felton Play, and she can design like whatever banner you want. So I just got her to make one that said Happy Hanukkah. But yeah, and then I added these light up boxes, and they had these red like Christmas berries on them that you could really easily twist off. They're just from Amazon, and I'm adding blue flowers instead from Michael's. You know, they have all those really nice fake artificial flowers. So I just had some from last year and I stuck them to the top to make them look like Hanukkah presents. Normally I put all our real presents by the fireplace. I love that look. We've been doing it for years, but this year I have a 1-year-old toddler and I knew that that wasn't gonna fly, so I just put these down there because they're not breakable, and he's played with them a little bit, but he's kind of over it now, so hopefully that'll be good. So this is the reveal of the fireplace and how it turned out. I love it so much. I mean, I've literally been planning it for a year since I bought this stuff in the sale, so I was very happy with how it came out. I wanted like golds and lights and just beautiful, elegant decor. That's really what I was going for this year. And so after I finished the fireplace, I needed to sort out all the rest of the bins. So my office has been Grand Central Station for Hanukkah decor for the past few weeks. I have these 3 boxes up that we usually keep in our basement. I recently labeled all our holiday boxes, by the way. It was thrilling. And then of course more stuff beyond the. And keeping in mind that I'm going for like elegance and gold and light and all that, I kind of filtered through some old Hanukkah decorations, donated a bunch, gave away a bunch, threw away a bunch, because there was just so much stuff, especially because I've been doing this YouTube and Instagram thing for 4 years now, 5 maybe. So I've worked with a lot of brands for Hanukkah and just been sent a lot of things, so I have more than enough. So it was time for a good clear out. So I started just by putting everything out on the dining room table, and then really thinking about like, what is my aesthetic? What's my aesthetic this year? What do I want my home to look like? And not feel pressured to use every single thing I have just because I have it, and also to give some away because I know people that would love to have some of this stuff. Another little favorite, I don't know if you caught it right there, that I bought again at the end of last year, is that little Hanukkah gingerbread house. It is so cute. I'm going to put that in the kitchen. So this is everything I dumped out of the boxes. Lots of like wrapping paper, kids projects, 1,000 dreidels. And then I just sorted through like, what do I really want to show in my house this year and what do I not need? And I, of course, every year I like to go to the shops and show you guys what there is. And so I'm always influencing myself to buy more. It's a problem. And then I had my little helpers around, and the task I gave them, this is just a little tip, is I asked Max to count out all our extra candles, because I did have a bunch of extra candles anyways. I was curious. So that occupied him for a big chunk while I did my work. And then the other exciting thing that happened is we got a big package from Manischewitz. They make these Hanukkah house cookie decorating kits. They're so cute. They're available on Amazon. So this was Thanksgiving weekend, like I mentioned, and I let my kids do this this Hanukkah house cookie decorating kit, because once they saw it come out of the box in the mail, they were like, we want this now. So it was actually perfect because we had nothing to do for the whole weekend. They also have an ugly sweater kit, really cute stuff. So I will link the Amazon page where you can check it out. And of course, tons of delicious kosher food and Hanukkah gelt. This year they are doing like a crypto gelt thing, which just made me LOL, but the gelt was actually delicious. Of course, we sampled some. Okay, so now my kids were doing the Hanukkah cookie house, and it was time for me to do the kitchen. Starting with that cute little gingerbread house in the center of the island, and then I did these artificial flowers from Michael's again. I actually ended up moving them to the dining room, but I tried to keep my kitchen pretty minimal because so much mess happens there, so much life happens in the kitchen, so I keep the decorations to a minimum. I might add a little bit more as we get closer to Hanukkah. We also end up lighting our candles usually in the kitchen, so the menorahs themselves and all the candles become part of the decor. This banner I've had for such a long time. It's from, I think it's from Peace, Love, and Light Shop, who I worked with a while back. They have really beautiful Hanukkah decor. Look at the little house. So cute. That's also from Amazon. I will link it. And then in the corner of the kitchen, I put our little Hanukkah countdown sign. That's from Michael's. The Shalom sign is also from Michael's. That was last year though, so I'm not sure if they have it. And then this beautiful marble Dreidel box, I put some gelt in. That is from Target. And I like this little corner of the kitchen because we don't really use this spot very much, so I could really decorate it up. And then the banner looks so pretty over the stovetop area. And then the last thing I had to do was our dining room table. And this is a spot where it'll probably ebb and flow as we get closer to the holiday, because I might be hosting a Hanukkah dinner or whatnot, but I want to sort of set it up for how it would look just during the weekdays. So a little bit of Hanukkah decor, but not too much. So I had our family Hanukkah menorah, our main one that my husband's grandparents gave to us, I think when we got engaged or married. And then my Happy Hanukkah sign, also from Peace, Love, and Light Shop. The table runner and all the stuff on the table pretty much is from Target. I think those candle holders are West Elm, but yeah, just really simple blue and white decor. And then we have a little kids table in the dining room, and I took out the Hanukkah toys. We have a tic-tac-toe board, and then these two gorgeous KidCraft sets. I was warning you guys, KidCraft has stopped making these beautiful Jewish sets, so I don't think you can get these anymore. There was one still available on Amazon, so I'll link it, but I don't know if it's there anymore. Get the Shabbat set before it's gone. Okay, and then I put out the flowers from Michael's. I decided to move it to my little corner in the dining room, and then on the buffet, we've just got the menorah and the Happy Hanukkah sign and some beautiful blue candles. So yeah, maybe we'll light the candles here this year, but just a little bit in the dining room, some elegant, nice touches. And then the last space, don't mind the giant balloon garland on the floor, is our playroom. So these are two sets that I got from the Target dollar spot. They were just $5 each. So I put them there for the kids, and then I put out some of our Hanukkah pillows. Again, these were from the Target dollar spot. They're really sweet. Just on the couch in our playroom. And then the last thing I did was take out all our Hanukkah books. We have a lot. Most of them are from PJ Library, which are actually, some are older, which I've always mentioned will send you free books if you are raising a Jewish child, so definitely sign up. I'll put that link below. And so yeah, just getting all the Hanukkah books out and putting them on the shelf in the playroom. And that's it. That's my home all ready to go for Hanukkah. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!